What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I'm making a Power Ranger helmet or printing one, and looking here in Bambu Studio, you can see where it says 0.2 millimeter layer height, 2 walls and 15% infill. But when I go to what I really did, I've got 4 walls and a 10% infill. So why is that telling me that? Why is it telling me 2 walls and 15% when I've got 4 walls clearly and 10%? Anyone else seeing this issue in their slicer? Let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.